Please refer to the specific model after it has been disassembled. If the car key is out of power, you can change it yourself, saving money and time. Prepare a set of small sticks and a small screwdriver for replacement. Avoid damaging the car key during the process. Look for grooves on the side of the car key. Insert the small stick into the side groove. Gently pry open the back cover. Gently detach the battery. Replace it with a graphene large-capacity battery for automobiles. The cover is back to the back panel. In this way, the key was resurrected with full blood.